ready.
Go.
Hello, my name is Tim, and today we're going to unbox a Collectible Geek build your own box. We opted for the optional pop instead of the t-shirt and an extra pop on top of that. So there are 3 Funko Pop vinyls inside this box. So let's see what we got.
Paper.
We got a, oh that's nice, they're all in pop protectors. We got a do-it-yourself pop female, a Walking Dead Woodbury Walker, and a limited edition Chase Vampire Spike. And that is the 3 pops that we got. Hold this one, buddy. Just right there. What do you think, buddy?
I like them.
Alright, and that's our very first, this is the inaugural Build Your Own box, and it's also our first box from them. Tomorrow we'll be getting the Founders Cache box, and we'll do an unboxing for it. Thank you. Can you stop it?